unanimous decision from Mexico, Rosbel Montoya.
All right,
good
nice
left.
1-2.
Good combination by Pagara. Beautiful combination. She's going after Montoya. Cracks into the body. Hammers him all over the ring.
Hinahabol all over the ring.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Bago natin simulan, kung bago ka pa lang napadaan sa aking munting tahanan, suporta naman. Click mo lang ang subscribe button at notification bell button. Palike na rin ng video para lagi kang updated sa mga bago kong uploads. September 10, 2011, ang unang paghaharap ni Jason Pagara at ang matibay ng Mexicano na si Rosbel Montoya. Ang laban ay para sa pagdipinsa ni Jason sa kanyang titulo na WBO Asia Pacific Youth Super Lightweight. Sa weigh-in nila, sobra ang timbang nitong si Montoya. Pero kahit malaki itong Mexicano, ay di ito inatrasan ni Jason Pagara. At sa kanilang laban na ginanap sa Cebu City, di naging maganda ang naging resulta. Natalo si Jason Pagara via unanimous decision.
Via unanimous decision from Mexico, Rosbel Montoya.
Matapos ang isang taon, August 18, 2012, muling naglaban ang dalawa. Ginanap ulit sa Cebu City. Ang laban ay para naman sa bakanting WBO International Super Lightweight title. Bago ang laban, bit-bit ni Montoya ang record na 16 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw. 13 dito via knockout, habang itong Pinoy na si Jason Pagara ay may impresibong kartada na 28 wins, 2 losses, 17 dito via knockout.
Please welcome Jason El Nino Pagara.
Sa mismong gabi ng salpukan, sabik na itong si Jason Pagara na makaresbak sa Mexicanong tumalo sa kanya. Gustong lapain sa harap mismo ng mga kababayan niya. Unang round pa lang ng laban, nagpakitang gilas na agad ang dalawa sa ibabaw ng lona. Malulutong na patama sa bodega.
To fight.
Sabi niya, yung experience ang magpapanas ng kanilang laban, pinag-aralan, na hindi matamaan ng jab. So he says he
Slow starter. He just had the left straight and a
sparred over 100 rounds. He's
lady.
so big test ito para kay Jake na ito.
Pagkatapos kailangan ng variety.
Pero sa gitna ng palitan, isang solidong kamao sa bodega ang tumama sa kalaban at bagsak agad ang Mexican.
World title fight muli ni Nonito Donaire kalaban ng Hapon na si Nishioka. And
Good body shot.
Body shot from Pagara in the next minute.
And he goes down. Down. Wow.
And the Mexican submitting in one from Jason Pagara. The professional.
Good body shot again. Alam mo, yun ang gusto ko, yung body shot. There goes the bell, end of the round. A good round for Jason Pagara. Slow-mo.
Okay,
First that was
panoorin
the
natin
left.
ulit. It was a body shot.
Left and a right, and then... No, it was not the body shot.
who
It was the
that?
left and the right.
Wait, let's look at it again. Left, left.
Right to the head, left to the side of the body, right again, another grazing left hand. It was the right, I think, that really hurt him. Round number 2.
It's late in Cebu, almost midnight. Pero gising na gising ang mga fans. Pinoy Pride 15, Philippines.
A low blow by Montoya, asking to keep, especially against an experienced fighter like Montoya. And he's making Montoya, kasi yung unang laban nila, really intense. Montoya.
He knows
Good
what
body
he
shot.
told me.
Rosbel Montoya is a puncher. 29 knockouts in 34 wins. That's a very high percentage. Good body shot again. Maganda yan. Don't expect Dasan. Good right and good left. Yun, a slow-mo action. Good right. Straight by Pagara. Maganda yung ginawa ni Jason.
Magandang body shot din.
Yeah, that 3-punch combination, he switched from the head to the body, which is a good tactic.
That was a very comfortable stay while we're here sa Cebu City.
Third round, tuloy ang bakbakan. Pero matapos ang ilang segundo, isang kombinasyon na naman ang tumama sa bodega ng Mexican. At bagsak na naman, pero talagang matibay. Pilit pang bumangon at pilit sumabay.
2 rounds.
Rematch po
Good
ito.
body, good body.
Maba ng dalawa noong September. Talo ang Pinoy.
Jason pa. Good uppercut. Good shot. Beautiful shot. That's a cracking body shot. He spat out his mouthpiece. I think he's gone. I think he's gone. I think he's...
Index raises his hand.
No, you mean Jason. Alam mo na yung he spat out his mouthpiece. That's a tactic to waste time. Okay, Pagara will go after him. Good body shots again.
Nice.
And he's down again.
So, 2 knockdowns in this round.
Pagara can't get careless. Kailangan timing. Timing. Body shots again. Hard body shot on the left to the side of the head. Pagara landing some vicious body out his mouthpiece. You know, that's a tactic to waste time. I'm surprised that DAZN didn't warn him, but maybe he just spat it out after he was hurt. Good body shots again. Slightly low blow by good round for Pagara. Tingnan mo slow-mo. That was a crunching left hook to the liver. That was a...
Tuloy pa rin ang mas tuminding laban sa mga sumunod na mga rounds. Makikita talaga na nabugbog ang Mexicano sa laban na to. Natikman ang tunay na lakas ni Jason Pagara na di niya nalasap sa unang paghaharap nila.
So you're doing the same thing.
30 seconds now, but it's amazing what 30...
Good
nice.
right hand.
Straight again.
Pagara goes.
Knockdowns already.
Go to the body.
Montoya shakes his head.
Good left. Another body shot. Pagara cannot. He walks to the body himself.
Otra vez, one more time. I see it.
4 wins. So that means he can punch. See? But Montoya trying to bully him. Final 10 seconds. Good. There goes the bell into the round. Slow action. Good left by Montoya and a cracking right straight by Pagara. That really caught him.
Ayan, yung left.
Pagara using the back.
Parang naka-recover talaga yung Mexico. You have some of those Mexican fans shouting, like, vamos. It's like, come on, let's go, let's go.
Pagara, good body shot. Another good left and a right uppercut by Jason Pagara.
Right again.
See? Body shot.
Yeah,
He's taking some vicious body shot. Another good body shot on the right by Pagara. It is too much out of range. Looks like a little low, but that's all right. He's working to the body and Pagara should cover up a little low. Montoya, good flurry because of the body shots of Jason.
Mahina na yun.
Very impressive
Pero
record.
ngayon, kaya kung matalo ni Jason to.
He's known as the Wolf.
Pero sa round 6, ang dating Mexicano na tumalo kay Jason Pagara ay umayaw na. Di na kinaya ang bangis ni Jason Pagara.
NINO away.
Alright,
Good
nice
left.
1-2.
Good combination by Pagara. Beautiful combination. He's going after Montoya. Cracks into the body. Hammers him all over the ring.
Inahabol all over the ring.
Crouches, and you can see he's trying to get leverage to throw the body shot. Now Jason catches him with the body shot, and he backs off. More body shots by
Hanging on.
another hard right to the body. Uppercut by Jason, and Montoya
He's hurt.
He's hurt.
Hurt.
He got hurt.
Mahina na. Again.
He crumpled. He's going down.
Down.
He can't.
He's down. Oh,
It's
they stopped
over.
the fight. All right. And Jason Pagara gets his revenge.
Panalo ang ating pambato na si El Nino via 6th round TKO at nakuha ang bakanting titulo. Tagumpay na nagka-resbak si Jason El Nino Pagara kontra sa matibay na Mexicanong tumalo sa kanya. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa video ito? Ang inyong komento, suggestion at reaction ay welcome na welcome sa baba.
You have a winner by technical knockout and the new WBO International Light Welterweight Champion, Jason El Nino Pagara.
Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.